Carroll Shelby was already a racing legend when he built CSX2000. It was hand-built in his shop, fitted with a Ford V8, and became the prototype for every Cobra that followed. Shelby drove it to test tracks, handed it to journalists, and even repainted it multiple times to trick people into thinking he had built several cars instead of just one. In 2016, CSX 2000 went to auction for the first time ever and sold for a jaw-dropping $13.75 million, making it the most expensive American car ever sold at the time. Collectors called it the Holy Grail, but not everyone was convinced. So after the sale, rumors started to swirl. Some Cobra experts claim CSX 2000 had major components swapped over the decades, maybe even the entire body. A few even argue the original aluminum panels were replaced during one of its many repaints in the 1960s, meaning the car that sold might not even be exactly as Shelby built it. So is this truly the first Cobra, or is it just the first chassis number? Despite the debate, CSX 2000 remains one of the most iconic American sports cars ever built. Some insiders say Shelby himself wouldn't have cared if parts were replaced. He cared about winning, not preserving history. But collectors obsessed with originality, that's another story. So what do you think? Is CSX 2000 still the holy grail of American cars? Or is it just a very expensive example of a replica replacing a legendary chassis number? Let me know what you think, because this debate isn't going away anytime soon.